Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll be studying linear and circle pattern in 3D. How can we make them in 3D? Okay, first draw some reference lines, sorry. Make this one horizontal, vertical. Okay, go to a line command. Here to this and again this here and close the shape. Now just drag it a bit upward. I want to create some geometry, some fillet here, not here. Here, but radius of 2. Some here. Just to remove these sharp edges. Okay. Now I also want to add some chamfers here. One chamfer over here, and sorry, I want to change distance, that is to 2 millimeters. One over here, and you can change it from here. Okay. Now go to feature, revolve it around this. Yeah, around this one. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to create some sketch here. I want to create a sketch here and a center line over here. Yeah, and one reference line from this point over here. Yeah, make it horizontal. Just make this horizontal, and now go to polygon tool and we'll create a rectangle over this point, like very much like this. Isosceles, sorry, a triangle. We'll create a triangle, isosceles triangle, so that all the sides will be equal. Now go to extrude cut it here, and we have, I think, made some mistake, and we needed to cut it through all. Okay, it has cut through all, and now we have to make do some modification. One is to enlarge it a bit, and the other one is just to remove this sharp edge. Okay, trim entities, trim it here. Okay, yeah, okay. Now what I will do, I would have to provide some axis, or if I don't provide axis, it will be okay. Now go to patterns and create a circular pattern. Here's my circular pattern. Now what I will do, feature So in a feature I have to give it this because I want this feature to create a pattern, circular pattern of, and around this axis. Or if I give some, okay, or if I give this one, so it will work same. Okay, now I want my shapes to be at 360-degree. Angle should be 360. 360. I'm giving it 360 pen. Oh, instant spacing, so I will first select equal spacing. Sorry, my bad. Okay, again, just give it a number that you want to create. 40 is too much, 35 or maybe 30 will be good. I haven't measured them, but 25 maybe. Okay, now you can, or 28. Okay, a type of like something that looks like a gear, or it's not gear actually. I haven't made it according to our dimensions, but I wanted to create some interesting shape and for you to, and also I wanted to uh, tell you how can you create these patterns in 3D. Let's shorten this a bit. And this also. Okay. Got out of the sketch. Okay. So this is actually somebody, a 3D body. Now I will create some holes here. Another. Now what I'll do, I need to draw some lines at 45-degree. One line over here says. Okay, first I want one here and one line here. Now give an angle of 45 to this. Okay, that is at 45 degrees. So I want to create a hole here. Just drag it a bit here. So I want to create a hole here, create a circle like this, and go to extrude cut. I want through hole. Okay, it says through hole. Now go to linear pattern. I want this extrude feature and this extrude command, and in direction I would give in Z direction. Okay, yeah, we need to give a plane in direction. That is first, not a top plane. I want to give a front plane here. Yes, I want to give a front plane, and it will create my my hole in this direction for me. And Now for example give it a 50, so it will create this perpendicular to this front plane, and let's give it 100. Okay, so this is my okay. Now this is my this is how you can create linear pattern. Now give it feature or faces, so I want this one and this one, and this time top plane, change the direction to here. And you can also give it up to reference, some reference plane or some reference point, or for example I give it if I give it a reference plane in a reference, or some reference point edge in a reference, so it can move up to this reference. For example I'm giving it this reference, so it will generate something here. Okay, for example 10. Oh, these are instances actually, but in equal spacing. Now how much you can create from this reference to this reference, if you give this much distance, so how much holes you can create. Okay, up to some references. Now spacing in instances, so I have give spacing 2 instances and 100 is my spacing. Okay, now I hope you would have learned that how you can create some shapes and some pattern. How can you draw a pattern by using a 3D linear and circular pattern. I hope you would like it. Please like, share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.